Very good, and now let's look how Marts and Dana will show us slow foxtrot gold level routine with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good, and now let's look at the same choreography, this time from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good, and now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with preparation step and then dance curve feather. Notice third step outside partner, then open impetus with man's heel turn. From promenade we dance natural weave. First turn to right and then to left. Continued by 3-step. And natural twist turn. Notice the lady's heel turn here. And finish with outside step. And then hover telemark. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. We take close hold and dance preparation step diagonally to wall. Then we dance curve feather and finish against line of dance, then open impetus to promenade position and move into natural weave diagonally to center. We finish natural weave diagonally to wall, dance 3-step in same direction, and natural twist turn. We start diagonally to wall and finish diagonally to wall in new line of dance. Hover telemark. We finish diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.